Question 17. You are analyzing Google Cloud Platform service costs from 3 separate projects. You want to use this information to create service cost estimates by service type, daily and monthly, for the next 6 months using standard query syntax. What should you do? Option A. Export your bill to a cloud storage bucket, and then import into Cloud Bigtable for analysis. Option B. Export your bill to a cloud storage bucket, and then import into Google Sheets for analysis. Option C. Export your transactions to a local file, and perform analysis with a desktop tool. Option D. Export your bill to a BigQuery dataset, and then write time window-based SQL queries for analysis. Now take 10 seconds to think and select the correct answer. Solving this by first eliminating the options that don't suit us. By breaking down the question into the key requirements. 1. Analyzing Google Cloud Platform service costs from 3 separate projects. 2. Using standard query syntax to relational data and SQL. A. Cloud storage bucket, Cloud Bigtable. Not feasible, mainly because Cloud Bigtable is not good for structured data, or relational data on which we can run SQL queries as per the question's requirements. Bigtable is better suited for semi-structured data and NoSQL data. B. Cloud storage bucket, Google Sheets. Not feasible because there is no use of SQL in this option, which is one of the requirements. C. Local file, external tools. This is automatically eliminated because the operation we need is simple, and there has to be a GCP native solution for this. We shouldn't need to rely on going out of the cloud for such a simple thing. D. BigQuery, SQL queries. To this is the right answer. Correct answer is D.